Lagos court don find 172 people now. They arrest them. This one happen for Cubana nightclub. I'm not sure so many of una dey familiar with am. And now the fine wey they give all of them together, if you sum am up, e come give us 6.8 million naira. Omo. The way some people just dey call prices for Nigeria, e be like say me sef I go start dey call price o, because the thing just like if they sweet them for mouth, any small thing they go just dey bring price. They arrest these ones because they say they violate coronavirus rules, protocols. Say they know they obey and many wahala, and e dey for Victoria Island. Na I bring for una like this today. And 172 people, each person go come pay 40k. No be there end o. After you pay your 40k, they go come sentence you to community service. Serious punishment. I still dey wonder wetin these people do, whether they go keep person, abi whether they do something. Oh yeah, oh, I don bring this matter now for una, because all of una, my male fans, una understand. Una know say I dey here for una 247. So I don bring this matter now for una because I wan open una eye. Many times I don dey hear this thing now. See, all of una wey know say una babe go dey tell una, especially those Fridays, Saturdays nights. We know where they go come tell you, baby, I'm going for all night. Oh, we have revival service, we have service revival, we have I don bring am now. So abeg, they go put this picture now. Look am very well, open una eye, zoom am. Check and make sure say your babe no dey there. Very important. I will put this picture, maybe they see what they talk about. Wahala for who no dey to my people. I bet I joke, you understand? You know, see, by now una suppose know una aproko madam. No be something way we go dey argue. Normally, I dey against all this posting picture online, parading picture against. So I dey against all those things. Even if person commit crime, at least you no get any right. Now why I know even they like all these police people matter? They go just arrest person and now they don't even know whether the person they at fault or they never carry and go call. Like they never even hear the matter. They don't start a post and with your name and everything. But if now another person in high places, they no go do am. So I beg, now joke, I dey joke with you now. Before you suppose put person picture online, say this person do something, at least get proof. Because this one where they do now na illegal. Illegal. You never find them guilty. You don't already they post like say they commit. How una sure say these people do this thing? Maybe person even they pass now go just carry and say hey, she follow. Nigeria na zoo. Seriously, everybody for Nigeria now they do anything where they want to do. But God go help us. My second concern now be say this same club where they arrest people for where they give them fine and many wahala. They close them around December. They close this same nightclub because of this violating COVID-19. Now, they don't bring another matter about this same club. Now, March we do. December to March. How many months? Now, I be say to my own conclusion, like I don't calculate and I don't investigate. Bribery take place for this place. Money pass from one person hand to another person hand. You understand? Very, you know, not say me if I dey give una something, I know what I dey talk. I bet make una free all these people who wanna carry 6.8 million naira. No, where did they work? Where did they work? Some of these people now when they see, una even they sure say they even get where did they stay. If they ask person to bring 40,000 naira, how much be person house rent? On top crime where person don't even know how you even commit am. You don't even know. Una leave owner of the place. Now the owner of that place will give una 6.8 million naira for violating coronavirus rule. Because if you no open that place, people no go see place where they go enter. You understand? People no go see them. And na the second time. Now the second time, meaning say, if una leave that place like that, third time go come happen. So it better make una see. I don't come here open una eye to mumu police people. Go look for that club owner. If not, the next one where you go there now go catch. You go catch this one now 172. Don't worry. You go catch 1 million. So go there, go do your work. Una only get power when it comes to citizens. When it comes to better people who are supposed to catch, una no go they catch, una go they beat around the bush. Dancers. I beg my people, now the matter be this. These people think say they wise, but we are wiser than them. So start to drop your comment for that comment section. And if you know say you get person way like they go that Cubana. Call am now, make sure say the person is safe, you understand, because they don't catch these ones. So share this video so that people go know wetin dey happen for here. Very, very important. And if you never subscribe, please subscribe. Support your girl. Stay tuned for the next story. For the past how many weeks, everybody don dey come out, dey give us their own reason why they dey support bandits. Now come out just say AK-47 dey allowed because they dey use am take protect themselves. The other one come out, no, they are not criminals. The other one, in fact, everybody just dey give us their own. Now another politician don come out now, come dey give us another reason why him think say bandits dey alright. And according to this one, for una wey no know am, na former president aspirant Adamu Gaba. Into say bandits now, no difference between bandits and Niger Delta militants, because matter reach me before say all these Niger Delta militants they be attack oil producing facilities, and this one happen for Delta. They cause many shutdown for oil terminals. They even fall in Nigeria oil distributed they call a production. In fact, they scatter anything oil for Delta. They scatter and they pieces am. So now why this man don't they come they tell us say no difference between those ones and the bandits where we they against. So I bet for now we don't know who be Gaba. I don't bring a call on screen. So join me, make we listen to that.
Radicalization that is done to this Boko Haram isn't enough. You can't de-radicalize me by talking to me or bringing a preacher. I need to have some sense of responsibility on myself and my well-being. What happened in the Niger Delta case, which is my last point here, is that they were not just integrated into the community, they were trained. Some of them became pilots, some of them became engineers, some of them. You have to also, what Niger Delta did, was it not killing and criminality too? Was it not kidnapping and bombing and destruction too? It is. So what we need to do is to train them and give them a sense of responsibility.
Government of the Malams for the bandits and by the Boko Haram. Now your title be that. Now only you sabi speak grammar, they come outside, they talk. No, what do we expect? Wetin una dey expect when person wey come outside dey tell us say make we leave Bitcoin, make we start dey focus on cow coin. Now the country na animal zoo kingdom. So now everything wey we dey do must dey connected to cow. My brother, the fact say lockdown dey no mean say your brain suppose shut down, because this one as they see you like this, they don't remove that thing where they make human beings they reason where they think. Hey, Nigeria, wow. And the fact sef where this man been the dream say he will become president of Nigeria. Now the one way even they wetin with that English start to my heart. That one even they shock me. You been the dream to become president like this, with this mentality where you get, where I don't even know who that you, whether na from cow, I been from human beings, not like this. Nonsense just fool this country. Nonsense just fool Nigeria like this. Ezioku. It dey very clear. My people say northern leaders now them be the root of all the problem where they happen for north. Northern leaders, no trust them. Now in fact, now them be the genesis of all the problem where they happen for north. See this one, he just come outside now, the open mouth like one born sacrifice. So I don't even know where they pick them from. The agenda now they very clear, and they gradually they unfold. So I just hope say una they ready like this. Hope say una they ready, because this one we go come now. Una no go even believe say una expect am, abi una no expect am. So I beg all the wetin they call these people, occupy Nigeria, all una title una no say una get. Make una start to do something fast before e go late. Start to do something fast before e go late. They talk say a word there not for the wise, because now this one don't come outside they give you. Tomorrow now, no even know who they expect. Who go come tomorrow now, come give us in your own this thing. Mr. Figure of Speech don't do your own go. Chineke. See who they come out, they compare bandits and Delta militants. Una they come outside, no, una even still get mouth, they compare bandits. Abeg, Delta militants, they be they fight for their rights. They be they fight for their rights. In case una no know, because I know say many of una na any small thing una hear, una go do, una no go even do una research, una no go even ask questions, una go just dey believe. These people go their land, pollute all their water with oil. They pollute everything, you know, understand? The thing can affect them, affect their business. For now, we no, these people, their means of income na fishery, na through fishing. So imagine if you can't spoil their water, how they won't do their business. Now, why they did what they do? They go spoil every oil terminal, they shut everything down because it affect their business. How you go come person land? You just they come because you be governor, because you just get one title like that, you feel say you feel misbehave. No, now these people they get right for this fight when they fight. If you they fight for something, at least make people see say you they right. I bet what bandits they fight for. Me person answer me because I know what may come be like say I dey support one person. If una fit give me reason or una fit tell me say okay now this thing bandits they fight for, at least maybe we know say okay we get one place where we dey start from. Wetin they get? Wetin they get? People wey go leave their side come dey look for trouble for another person side. Last my people, no difference between this one wetin be name Adamu and the other ones. All of them are the same. When this one start dey talk, I been dey think say okay, at least this one go come give us some kind sense. Just I no even reach middle of the speech. I just start dey laugh. Say this one na the same thing. All of them are the same, my people. So I beg, this one I don't bring her now because I no want make una talk tomorrow. Say Madam Aproko talk, Madam Aproko no talk. You understand? So this one don't add to the people where they support bandits. And they bring them out so that una go know their leaders. Very very important. You understand? So any comment where you get concerning this matter, drop am for that comment section. Share this video and subscribe. If not, you go miss everything we drop. Stay tuned for our next story.